Fejiro, come along with me. We're learning safe and healthy things happily. What are drugs? Let's understand. Things we put in our body by hand. They can change how we feel inside. Calm or sleepy, low or high. Some can help when we're not well, helping our bodies feel right again. Big bright minds, we stop and think before we take or eat or drink. We choose what's right, we take it slow. Smart kids always learn and know. Smart kids, strong and wise. We make safe choices every time. Say yes to care, say no to harm. We keep our bodies safe and strong. Clap your hands and stand up tall. We love our health, we love it all. With trusted grown-ups by our side, we shine with safety, strength, and pride. The drugs are medicine, that's right, helping us feel better day and night. When we're hurting, sick, or weak, they help our bodies heal and speak. Cough syrup, malaria medicine too. Pain relief to care for you. But here's a rule we must obey. Don't take it any other way. Doctor says what's safe and right. Mommy and daddy check the dose just right. We never take it all alone. Safe choices make our wisdom grow. Smart kids, strong and wise. We make safe choices every time. Say yes to care, say no to harm. We keep our bodies safe and strong. Bad drugs can hurt our hearts and brain, bring confusion, fear, and pain. Bad drugs, stay away. They can lead you the wrong way. Smoking alcohol, not for kids. They don't help like medicine does. Unknown pill, just say no way. Safe kids choose a better day. From strangers, friends, be aware, be wise. Not everything is safe to try. If you're unsure, stop and say, I'll ask my grown-ups first today. Smart kids, strong and wise. We make safe choices every time. Say yes to care, say no to harm. We keep our bodies safe and strong. Take medicine from doctor or family you trust. That's the rule, it's a must, must, must. Read the label, don't rush or guess. With grown-ups helping, safety first. Don't take drugs to look cool, no way. Being you is the best every day. Say it loud, say it clear. I choose health, I have no fear. Should you take drugs from a friend? No, 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 that's not the trend. We stand strong, we proudly say, safe choices lead the way. Smart kids, strong and wise. We shine like stars up in the sky. Healthy choices every day help us grow in every way. With trusted grown-ups guiding me, I choose what's safe and healthy. Say yes to good, say no to wrong. That's how we stay healthy and strong.